This is a video about the Santa Fe train by Peg Perego I found next to a garbage can some weeks ago. Unfortunately, it was missing the tracks, the charger, the caboose, a proper battery, and worst of all, the front axle and wheels. So I had to modify it slightly to get it to work again. Here you can see my solution. As for front axle, we fixed a shopping trolley to the locomotive so that it acts as a front axle. This works reasonably well, though the rolling resistance of that front axle is still remarkably higher than that of the rear axle, which means that the vehicle slows down if I lean forward and speeds up if I lean backwards. This is a look into the Santa Fe's battery compartment. As you can see, this is not the stock battery, but a newly bought 6 volts 10 amp hours one, which happens to be fairly cheap at 13 euros and fits into the compartment nicely. The connector also has been modded. The stock connector has been removed and 2 cable shoes attached instead of it, which in turn are attached to the battery. This corresponds to the way the batteries are wired in my e-scooter. Now let's hear the sound it makes without a load on it. And here we go. This is my balcony. It's about 48 feet long, so a rather roomy balcony. The Santa Fe has a no-load speed of 2 miles per hour when driven off track, and 1.5 miles per hour with me on it, riding on the balcony. Now we turn it around and try a slightly different pose, because with the previous pose my legs start to hurt after a while. The second pose is more comfortable. And this concludes my video about the modded Santa Fe train. Thanks for watching and bye bye.